How to send attachment on Hotmail. Hi everyone, welcome back to TechTube. In today's video, I will guide you on how to send attachment on Hotmail. It's very easy and simple. So to get started, once you are inside the Hotmail, in the inbox section, you can see the plus icon right there. Simply tap on it. Upon tapping that, type down the Hotmail account whom you want to attach the file to. You can also add the subject, and once you are done with it, you can see the option attached right there. Simply tap on it and then select a file or attachment you want to attach. Once you do it, simply tap on the arrow sign which is located at the top right corner. Once you tap on that, your attachment will be sent to the person you have sent on Hotmail. So that's all guys. It's very easy and simple. I hope you found the video to be helpful and informative. If yes, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell for more updates.